Welcome everybody to my art room, Carol's art room. In today's video, I'm going to do a bloom. It's going to be, I guess, a modified bloom, but I'm going to swirl it. So it's going to be a modified swirl bloom. I guess that's what I will call it. Anyways, that's what I'm going to do, and I want to show you how to do it, and we'll see what kind of results we get. Come and watch. Hi everybody. So I'm getting prepared for my bloom swirl technique. This is my house paint. I just mixed it, so of course it has a lot of bubbles. I shouldn't have mixed it too much. All right. So what I'm going to do, as I mentioned, a bloom swirl. I saw somebody do it on YouTube. I will put her name in the description. Oh, totally forgot. Sorry about that. Or I will write it in my video. When I finish this video, I'll put the link, her link in there. Anyway, she did a beautiful one. So the idea is you do 5 blooms. And all right, let's start with the blooms first. I'll explain as I go. So I'm going to do one in the middle. I'm not going to make them very big. One here. Because this isn't a big canvas. All right, so that's, excuse me, turquoise. I'll put some of this later. This is a Bahama blue and aquamarine. So I'm going to do turquoises and pinks. I think I'll put, actually, I'm going to put some Prussian blue also. Ooh, this one's really watery. Oops. Okay, so now I think I'll put this pigment, this pink pigment. Let's see if it'll work on a dark color. I don't know. Hardest part's going to be blowing them all out. I can't use my big blower. I'm going to have to use my straw. I'm not good at blowing it with my mouth. Okay. Now, so that's 1, 2, that's 4. Prussian blue, turquoise, pigment, and this one. I have I'll try this one now. Actually, I'm going to put this PBO one down. This is blue-green. And then this is it's a pretty PBO blue, pink, blue, pink, PBO. Oh, I've lost the lid again. I should mark it on the sides. I should learn that. Blue violet. And then I'm going to do black Cell Activator. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did I use this one? No, I didn't use that one, did I? Oh yeah, I did. I think there's 5. I think the other pink's under there. Anyway. All right, that's good. Okay, so now I think that's enough color. I think. All right, so now I'm going to put the black cell activator. I'm going to do this one last. This is black, oxide black, and Australian Floetrol. All right, let's try this one now. Oops, a doopsie. Oh, that's a big one. Wow, look at that one. It's amazing how they all are different. Let's do the middle one now. Pretty nice. I hope I can get this one to go. I don't want any white spaces in between. Oh, I did get white spaces in between. Oh, there. Oh, well. All right, let's see what I can do now. All right. I'm going to tilt it. I'm getting lots of white bubbles coming up. Okay, so now let's see. I tilt it back a little more. I've got a little bit of water in there that is probably from my breath. Not nice. Well, I can't do much about it now. So I'm going to take my skewer. I'm going to go like this. Wow, look at that. And I'm going to give it a spin. I should have used my big spinner. Because look, it's good I put my hand there. Whoa, isn't that pretty? I'm gonna get these. I don't like these. There, I'm not going to spin it anymore. I think it's... I think it's beautiful. There we go. What do you think of that, eh? Kind of one-sided here. That's okay. I love it. Thanks for coming by for this one. Something different and new. All right, have a good day, everybody, and come back to Carol's Art Room. Give it a try. Comment below. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Hi, everyone. Well, I came to see the dried bloom that I swirled with a stick. Look how pretty that is. It's almost dry. It's still wet in the middle a little. It dried so smooth. See how smooth that is? A bit of gold there. Pretty colors. It gives a whole new look to a bloom. Thanks for watching and have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.